What is up, Diamonds? Guys, it's your girl tonight. Diamonds, and I'm back in another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, before I get started this video, please make sure to go check out my previous videos. They'll be up in the cards and towards the end cards. Also, check out my main channel if you haven't already. It's in the description box, as long as with my social medias, my TikTok, Instagram, all that is in there. So definitely go and give me a follow on there. I will follow you guys back. And excuse this, yeah, I had blood drawn today. It was supposed to be drawn from here, but they couldn't find no vein there, so they did it here, and it kind of hurts. But yeah, and I did take off the nails because child work, these are gonna come off. So I just like, you know what, I'm gonna just take it off. But anyways, today I got a little haul for you guys. So yeah, my boyfriend finally, I finally got my very first Telfar bag, and that's thanks to my boyfriend. Now this, as I know, was supposed to come in a box in his own dust bag, but he didn't do that. He put in a different dust bag because apparently the dust bag came where it was dirty, which I find that weird when it comes from that Telfar, but I've heard like certain issues with Telfar before. But I got this one. This is the other gray one. This is their UGG collection from the other thing. I didn't know from the picture that this was Uggs. I didn't know that this was another one of the UGG thing, because I was so used to the one with the fur on the sides, like the shepherd fur. So I was just like, when I saw it, I'm like, oh, this is Uggs. And I've been saying I want to get their UGG collection one, or the UGG collab one, and I got that. So yeah, it is so pretty. It feels like a sweater material, honestly. This was, what I'm gonna say, this was like $170 for this, for the small size. I believe with the collab ones, they're like a little bit more. They're a little bit more. So yeah, and it does come with this strap. The only thing about the straps, yeah, it's, as you can see, you have to like straighten it out and stuff, but it is very nice. It doesn't have a lot of space, but it is pretty. It's one of those bags where you just, you know, if you're not going anywhere that's far or whatever like that, you just wear it. You can wear this like when you're going out type of thing. But yeah, it says Uggs right there, X Telfar. It is so pretty. You can wear this bag different ways. You can wear it like this. I'm gonna show you how like clips on the side so you can see it a lot better. You can wear it like this. You can wear it going across, or you can simply just wear it like this. But like, I guess you would just have to tuck these in and just, you know, have the bag like this. But it is so cute. I always wanted a Telfar bag for the longest. I didn't care what color it was. If it was like their original like Telfar bag, I just wanted a Telfar bag so bad, and I never got one. Even when they did the whole waitlist thing on their website to went online to get one and stuff like that, I did that. And then by the time I was like, wait, it shouldn't be taking this long, like it should bring to the checkout already. I refreshed the page and the color was gone. So I was like, okay, forget this. But yeah, it is really cute. Super cute. I love the sweater material on this. It's very, very nice. So soft. Now, you guys, I do have a Macy's haul. Yes. Yeah, I rarely ever buy clothes from Macy's. This is like my first ever Macy's clothing haul, to be honest. But I just couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. So the first thing that I found, y'all won't believe the price on this either. The first thing I found was a Juicy Couture leather jacket, y'all, that actually fits me. Because if y'all know, I've had leather jackets from SHEIN, and I get in a size large, but the arms would always be too tight for me. These fit excellent. This is the detail of it. I'm gonna even show you the try-on portion too, how it looks like. This is the details of it. It has the J on the zippers, the J right here, J on the other side. Guys, Guess how much I got this for? $4, you guys. Compared to $86, which that's how much it was selling for, $86. But the original price is like $150. Girl, you know, like, even though this did fit me, I wouldn't leave it behind. I would still grab it, just in case, you know, to give it away to one of my juicy lovers. But like, come on, like $4 for this leather jacket, juicy too, girl. Yeah, and I didn't even know Macy sold juicy like that. Like, the only thing I knew that they sell regular and juicy was like their boots and their slides. I didn't know they sell clothing, but I've seen a lot of juicy clothing over there. Okay, the next and last thing I got is from DKNY. I thought this was really cute, you know, especially for like the fall, the winter time. It was this right here. I don't know what you call it. Like, I just say a sweater. It has a DKNY right here. It has a little pull string right here if you want to make it tighter. It does have pockets. So I thought this one was honestly really cute. And this was only 20 bucks. 20 bucks, you guys. 20 bucks from $70. So I thought that was a pretty good steal for that. So yeah, it does have this on the inside, so it will keep you nice and warm. You just throw in a little tank top under this and you're ready to go. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys. So if you guys remembered, it was one of my haul videos. It was like a Juicy Couture / Victoria's Secret haul video, and I mentioned that I was supposed to get 2 feet panties within my order. And I'm like, okay, where's the order? They didn't put it in there. Tell me why now I got it, y'all. Yes, now I got it. So this was the other underwear that I was waiting to get. It's pretty. So it's another seamless one. I like these a lot because they feel very comfortable on. You almost feel like you're wearing nothing, to be honest, which that's the point, you know. I bought it. It's really nice. But yeah, that was the one I was complaining about. They wasn't in my order, but turns out it was back ordered, which made no sense because when I had ordered it, it was one left in stock. So I'm just like, how was it back ordered? If it's one left in stock, they should have shipped it with the other stuff, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a little small haul. This is primarily for my Telfar bag, my first ever Telfar bag. I haven't had a designer bag in a new designer bag in a minute. I've kind of been slacking on getting designer bags because I've been more focused on getting juicy bags so much that I haven't really been paying attention to the designer bags like that. I used to be on top of Coach stuff, on top of my Corey stuff, and now I be finding out about them late. Like the cherry collection, I found out about that late, and I didn't even get to get any bags from that collection. I got a wallet. But yeah, designer stuff is not something I buy all the time. I just buy it once in a while, like sometimes for a special occasion, like if it's my birthday I would get it. But I do want to get a Christian Louboutin bag eventually. But I don't think it's on Christian Louboutin website. I think I have to get off of Saks or Farfetch. So yeah, it's a $2,000 bag. It's a lot, but I like to treat myself here and there sometimes with designer bags. If y'all ever notice, when I'm in my room, in the background, I have a lot of designer bags. If y'all want to see like the actual ones I have, I do have a video on my channel dedicated to my designer bag collection. So I will link it up here for you guys if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, so let me know in the comments, do y'all own any Telfar bags, or if y'all ever thought about having a Telfar bag? And yeah, like I didn't want to get the medium size because I'm like, I already have a lot of medium sized bags. I rather just get a small one, so he just got me the small one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.